What should we give away, Eric? $100? You know what we should do? We should be crazy about it. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give away an iPhone 14.
Okay.
I forget what my video is gonna be about.
You already forgot.
Guys, today we hit 100,000 on our subscriber list on YouTube, so we're super pumped. I decided to come out and film on a house I've already filmed on. Last time I filmed was on my phone and I walked through the property. We're gonna do it kind of all over again, but I wanna walk through and show this house to you. We're gonna talk about a construction walkthrough. And what I want you guys to do is know that we're gonna give away, what should we give away, Eric? $100?
Yeah, $100 on your 100,000 subscriber day.
You know what we should do? We should be crazy about it. We should go crazy. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give away an iPhone 14 to the person who guesses the construction budget closest in the comments. Okay, so make sure you guys are watching me walk through the property, add up what I'm talking about, and make your guesses down below. You only get one guess. If you're down there like trying to guess every dollar with every penny, and you're like making 500 guesses, that doesn't count. We're gonna choose one of your guesses. Actually, no, you get disqualified. Okay, you get disqualified. All right, so make comments down below based on what you believe the construction budget is going to end up being. And we'll do a follow-up video here once this house is up and operational. So let's get into it. Today is a construction walkthrough. Here we are on unit 30, a property that I own. I'm not allowed to say the full address. Last time I said the full address, Instagram cut off our entire account. So this property, we just bought it on an executory contract, okay? Now I don't remember the address or the thing. I gotta call my wife.
Hey.
What's the lockbox on this house?
I think it's
Interesting.
your wife did it.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye. All right, guys. So let's go through here, and let's talk about this. I got two exit strategies here. Either exit strategy number one, I want to have people like right now, I've got a guest here. I'll show you this guest, okay? Oh shit, the power is off. Damn it. Okay, well I gotta fix that. Great. So I've got a guest outside. You guys will see him in another video. His name is Dan Quijano, and he came in from New Mexico to come to an event that we're having here in Phoenix. And what I'm thinking about doing is having some of my guests that come out of state to stay in this property. So if they do that, I'm gonna spend a decent amount of money. So what I'm gonna do is either A or B, I'm going to have it as an Airbnb, or I'm gonna have this as a guest house where people come over here and stay here when they come and visit us in town. Either way, the renovation is gonna be the same, all right? You can see the garage needs to be repainted. This looks so stupid. The person that owned the property did this wrong, didn't even paint that other side. So we'll get a new garage door opener, we'll do new garage coating, and then the interior of this garage will be painted. Then these little things I noticed, I hate this doorbell, it's gross and yellow. So we'll switch this out. Please tell me that this key works for this electronic thing. Yes. As you guys can see, there is painted countertops. You see this grossness? I need new quartz countertops. I need new hardware on the cabinets. I think I'm gonna keep the cabinets. I think they'll be just fine. Cabinets stay, fridge is fine, microwave, that's fine. Everything appliance-wise is fine. The floor, I'm gonna switch out the entire floor. So I'm gonna take out the tile, take out the carpet, take out the baseboards, and I'm gonna make all new laminate and new trim. And then we're gonna repaint the whole house. I will also add can lights. I'll add 16 can lights throughout the house. So like 4 in here, 4 there, 4 in the kitchen, there's 12, 4 in the primary. Now here, I probably will leave the shower. New flooring all the way here. I'm gonna keep this shower because the shower is perfectly fine. I'm gonna keep this countertop, this is fine. Probably keep most of this, it's fine, except I'm gonna switch out all the outlets. If you look here, you see how dingy and gross those outlets are? Can you see that? Yep, okay, gross. Outside, let's go out there real fast. This is a smaller house. I think it's a 2-bed. It's a 2-bed with an office. What would you do in here? Would you take the storage out and make this like a desk, like work area, or would you keep all the storage in here? You know what I'm saying?
This should be the pantry.
I mean, it's a big ass pantry for a little house. I think what you do here is this should be the office. So like when people come and work here and they stay here, They should be able to come in here, close the door, and be able to work inside of this and like close the door. I would take the this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the cabinets out. I'm gonna make this feel a little bit more open and do like some cool wallpaper in here and make this like an office. We'll put quartz countertop in there. Laminate all the way through, by the way, no carpet, laminate. And then in here, this all needs to get new everything new. Okay, so, oh, so that's why it stinks. Somebody dropped a turd in here. That might have been me. Just kidding. Okay, so new vanity, new everything in here. I'll keep that shower. New floor, I don't like this floor, and then new floor in here. I don't know what the guess is gonna be, but that's it. That's all I'm gonna do in the property. It is not a lot, but it's also not a little. I mean, you're doing all new floor, all new trim. The floor I'm gonna use is laminate, so like a luxury vinyl, actually. So we'll do a luxury vinyl. Let's go to back patio one time while we're here. Ooh, look at, you get the view of the golf course. I like this golf course actually a lot. Okay, so this is why public golf courses suck. You got guys waiting on the tee for the guys waiting in the fairway, and the guys in the fairway are waiting on the guys on the green. It's a par 5. I know this all. It's a par 5, dog leg right. This guy that hit in the fairway, if he thinks he's hitting the green, he's Tiger Woods, dude. Like, he ain't hitting the green from there. So I think here, I hate this backyard. Oh, yes. This is pretty good, dude.
Here for you.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Are those your balls?
No, they're not.
What are your balls called?
Dixon balls. I don't think, maybe I don't need to do much back here, right? Like, I got the patio. I probably just need to get new furniture. Yeah, new furniture back here, that's it. Maybe a grill, little hangout, maybe like a little hose, and that's it. So, what I wanna do is I wanna see what you guys would do. We're gonna turn this into like, oh, and furniture. That's the other thing too. I gotta get it furnished, I gotta get it decorated, I gotta get pots and pans. So I need to do a backsplash here, I need to do furniture, 2 beds, all that kind of stuff. So significant. So person with the closest guess gets an iPhone. Mark my words, we'll do a follow-up video here going through and talking about this video in part 2 of Unit 30. We'll see you guys in that video.